MCQs of cells. MCQs number 1. Who coined the term cell? Schwann, Sheldon, Robert Hooke, both A and B. The correct option is option C, Robert Hooke. MCQs number 2. Who opposed the idea cell is an empty space bounded by a thick wall? Lawrence Oken, Schwann, Robert Brown, Rudolf Virchow. The correct option is option C, Robert Brown. MCQs number 3. Who first observed and thus hypothesized that new cells are formed from previously existing living cells? Dr. Schwann and Sheldon, Rudolf Virchow, Louis Pasteur, both B and C. The correct option is option B, Rudolf Virchow. MCQs number 4. Resolution power of compound microscope is 2.0, 2 to 4, 24, multiplied by 24A. The correct option is option A, 2.4. MCQ number 5. Magnifying power of electron microscope as compared to eye is 500x, 2,50,000x, 5 lakh x, 250x. Correct option is option B, 2,50,000x. MCQ number 6. In cell fractionation, various components of cells, including its organelles, can be isolated in different layers depending upon their physical property like size and weight, physical properties of medium like its density, their electrical property like their charges. Both A and B. Correct option is option D. Both A and B are correct options. MCQ number 7. Percentage of protein in cell membrane is 20 to 40%, 40 to 50%, 60 to 80%, 80 to 100%. Correct option is option C, 60 to 40%. MCQ number 8. Which of the statement about cell membrane is not true? It contains protein molecules embedded in lipid bilayer. It is differentially permeable membrane. It contains charged pores, thus ions become charged particles across cell membrane much easier than neutral particles. It may get infold to engulf solid or liquid material. The correct option is option C. MCQ number 9. The movement of material across cell membrane which does not require the expenditure of metabolic energy is active transport, passive transport, co-transport, counter transport. The correct option is option B, passive transport. MCQ number 10. The first layer of cell wall which is formed is primary cell wall, secondary wall, middle lamella, all of these. The correct option is option A, primary wall. नेक्स्ट टाइम MCQ पर जाने से पहले आप लोगों से गुजारिश है कि अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कैंडी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को दबा लें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक आसानी से पहुंच सके. MCQ नंबर 11. Cellulose is a major component of primary wall, secondary wall, middle lamella, all of above. The correct option is option A, primary wall. MCQ number 12. Strengthening material of prokaryotic cell wall is cellulose, chitin, inorganic salt, silica, waxes and lignin, peptidoglycan or murine. The correct option is option D, peptidoglycan or murine. MCQ number 13. Spherical or tubular membrane which separate the material present in endoplasmic reticulum from that of cytoplasmic material is called cytosol, cisternae, polysome, Christia. The correct option is option B. MCQ number 14. Who is not the function of endoplasmic reticulum? Nerve impulse conduction, transport of material, chemical sport synthesis of conjugated molecules. Statement 4 is synthesis of conjugated molecule is not the function of endoplasmic reticulum. 15. Factory of ribosomal synthesis is cytoplasm, nucleus, nucleolus, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct option is option C, nucleolus. MCQ number 16. 16s and 14s subunit combine to form a particle 100s, 90, 80, 70. Correct option is option C, 80 S. MCQ number 17. A group of ribosomes attached to mRNA is known as polymer, polypeptide, polysomes, monomer. The correct option is option C, polysomes. The pancreas produces secretory granules that help in digestion. These granules, after passing through endoplasmic reticulum, are pinched off from surface of Golgi apparatus, forming phase, maturation. Any of them? None of these. The correct option is option B, maturating phase. MCQ number 19. During digesting phagocytosed food vesicles formed from fusion of phagocytic vacuole with enzyme secreted by Golgi apparatus are called lysosomes, primary lysosomes, secondary lysosomes, or food vacuole. The correct option is option C, secondary lysosome. MCQ number 20. Autophagosomes are those lysosomes which eat part of their own cells to generate energy. Those lysosomes which eat old and worn out cellular organisms. C. Lysosomes which help in extracellular digestion. D. Both A and B. The correct option is option D. Both A and B option are correct about autophagosomes. MCQ number 21. Cellular organelle related with H2O2 are galaxysomes, lysosomes, peroxisomes, liposomes. The correct option is option C, peroxisomes. MCQ number 22. Which of the following statement is incorrect about glyoxysomes? Glyoxysomes. They contain enzymes which help in conversion of fatty acid in carbohydrates. They are abundant in soybean but absent in pea. They are present throughout life of plant and provide them with energy through the glyoxylate cycle. They are single membranous organelles. The correct option is option C. They are present throughout the life of plant and provide them with energy through the glyoxylate cycle. MCQ number 23. Which of the following cytoskeleton fiber contain tubulin protein? One which help in assembly of spindle during mitosis, one involved in internal cell motions, one involved in maintenance of cell shape. Both B and C. The correct option is option A. MCQ number 24. Centrioles are composed of triplet of microtubules 3, 9, 10, 15. The correct option is option B, 9. MCQ number 25. The human naked eye can differentiate between 2 points which are apart: 1.0 mm, 0.1 mm, 1.0 centimeter and 1.0 dm. The correct option is option A, 1.0 mm. Ribonucleoprotein particles are name of DNA, nucleus, eukaryotic ribosomes, RNA. Eukaryotic ribosomes. 27. Ribosomes plus mRNA are polysomes, phagosomes, polyosomes are none of these. The correct option is option A, polysome. MCQ number 28. In Golgi apparatus, the maturing phase is biconcave, convex, spherical, concave. The correct option is option D, concave. MCQ number 29. Protein and lipid are converted into glycoprotein and glycoprotein by adding carbohydrates by ribosomes, cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum. The correct option is option C, Golgi apparatus. MCQ number 30. Amoeboid movement and movement of cyclosis is due to macrofilaments, microtubules, intermediate filaments, cytoskeleton. The correct option is option A, microfilaments. MCQ number 31. Of the following, which one is not the characteristic of mitochondria? It contains F1 particle. It is involved in synthesis of protein. It is a self-replicating organelle. Number of mitochondria is constant. The correct option is option D. Number of mitochondria is constant. MCQ number 32. Chlorophyll is RN a molecule, inorganic, cationic, anionic or organic. MCQ number 32. Correct option is organic. MCQ number 33. The part of chloroplast where carbon dioxide is fixed to manufacture sugar is stroma, grana, thalakite, outer membrane. The correct option is option A, stroma. MCQ number 34. The type of plastic which help in pollination is chromoplast, leucoplast, chloroplast, all of these. The correct option is option A, chromoplast is type of plastic with help in pollination. MCQ number 35. Ribosomes are assembled in nucleus, DNA, RNA. The correct option is option A, nucleus. MCQ number 36. The place of centromere where spindle fibers are get attached is kinetochore, kynochore, centromere region, all of these. The correct option is option A, kinetochore. Which of the following is not present in mitochondria? Enzyme, coenzyme, ribosomes, thalakide. Correct option is option D, thalakide are not present in mitochondria. MCQ number 38. The stent energy in form of ADP is regenerated by mitochondria into AMP, ADP, ATP, all of these. The correct option is option C, ATP. Which of the following combination is an example of self-replication organelles? Mitochondria ribosomes, mitochondria nucleus, mitochondria chloroplast, mitochondria vacuole. The correct option is option C, mitochondria chloroplast. Chlorophyll 2 molecules contains a central metal ion Fe2 plus, Mg2 plus, Zn2 plus, copper 2 plus. The correct option is option B, magnesium 2 plus. MCQ number 41. One which of the following component of chloroplast chlorophyll is arranged? Cell membrane, matrix, thalakide, stroma. The correct option is option C, thalakide.